the fastest animal on Earth?
The cheetah. Next.
Should I fake my orgasms?
Yes.
Thank you.
Next.
This is a lunar control at T-minus 50 minutes and counting. Commence loading of passengers requiring special boarding assistance.
No Frills Charter 7904, you have clearance to deplane passengers. Over.
We read you, Control. Over. We have clearance to deplane. Bye now.
Have a nice day.
Go. Bye now.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. Go. Bye now.
Have a nice day.
Go. Everything okay? Yeah, everything's fine. Go. Have a good night. Go.
Lunar shuttle.
Excuse me, sir. Would you like to make a contribution to the Heart Charity?
Sure, why not? Here you go. How's that for something?
Thank you. My God, this is $1,000.
Well, you're all good. Oh, you're all good.
Please, may I have this bedpan? I promise I have to give it to somebody else and I'll bring it right back. Please, Mr. Goldberg.
So the company is actually doing pretty well. We just received the figures for the last quarter. They show a 40% increase over the past year.
Visiting hours are over.
All right, I guess. You can take off now. We'll finish up tomorrow.
Thought you might like a paper.
Thanks.
Sure. But you can tell your boys aboard for me that this thing stinks to high heaven of kickback.
You heard it, boys. Now what do you say?
Ted Stryker was right when he test-piloted that sucker.
Here, take this.
What's this for?
It's our last few bucks. Take it. You'll need a hot meal when you get there.
Is it really worth it? We're down to our last dollar on these operations.
It's worth it to us, Joey. We haven't made love in 5 years. Dr. Wasserman says that this hospital in Des Moines is the best sex clinic in the whole country. If they can't solve your problem, nobody can.
Maybe I don't need an operation. Maybe I can solve my own problem.
Joey, it's not just your problem. It's our problem.
Can't we think it over? Maybe it's just nerves.
Nerves? Joey, this problem is ruining your life. First, you got in that terrible fight with Buzz Wixie-Keeble roofing over that remark he made. And then, Filch Waste Disposal fired you because you punched Sid Gertz. And after that, you pushed Fred Mulch down the stairs at Blitz Brothers. And all because of your nerves? How long can it go on, Joey? How many fights? How many jobs?
All right, one last operation, but it's hopeless. You'd be far better off with a real man.
Joey, you're the only man in my life. Now, you better get going. We don't want you to miss that flight.
Here.
What's this?
It's just flight insurance. Everybody buys it.
Joey! Now, when you land in Des Moines, you call me, okay? Everything's gonna be just fine.
Thank you. Aidoso.
This is Delta Satellite Control. We have a condition green. I repeat, we have a condition green.
This condition is not that bad. Take these pills. Here's some water.
What is it, doctor?
2 parts hydrogen, 1 part oxygen. Makes the pills go down easier.
It's not this flight.
Ted, we're taking off.
Elaine, why don't you trust me anymore?
Because you're not the man you used to be. You should never have left the hospital.
Please, take your seat.
Elaine.
Well, looks like that weather's starting to clear.
Excuse me, would you like something to read, sir?
Well, I don't read a whole lot, huh? What do you got?
Modern Electronics, Time, Business Week, the Talmud, the 24-volume dissertation on Jewish law.
Let me try that Talmud.
All right. And you, sir?
Modern Electronics, be fine.
Want to switch when we're finished?
You can have it. I need to get some oxygen.
What was that?
Well, that's the intercom, sir.
Oh, right. It's Captain. Over.
Yes, this is Testa. Would you fellas like a little breakfast, Captain? Over.
Yeah, some steak and eggs would be nice, Testa. Anybody else want a bite?
Yeah, steak and eggs is fine with me. Now, make that 2.
Elaine?
No, thank you.
Make that steak and eggs for 3, Testa. Can I get my eggs poached? Over.
Poached and over, Captain? Over.
No, just poached on toast. Over.
I don't think we do poached eggs on toast, over, Captain. Over.
I just want them poached. Over.
You're the captain, sir. Poached and over, Captain. Over. Any preference on your steak? Over.
Just a bit underdone.
Sir?
Hello, we'll be serving breakfast in a few minutes. Will all 3 of you be eating?
Yes, thank you.
Does that mean no more headlines about the rape trial?
How many kids get a chance to live on another planet?
No more kids yelling? Your old man's a psychopathic sex pervert?
Look, a man can make an honest mistake. Anyway, she was asking for it. They're all asking for it all the time.
Dad never slaps me around at home. It must be his coffee.
No, I've been serving Dad decaf. Maybe he's just an asshole.
Oh, sir, you should really put that case in the compartment above your head.
I'll keep it with me.
Well, I can help you if you can't get it up.
I said I'll keep it with me.
You like to play ball with him?
Yeah.
Sure. You like to throw a stick and have him bring it back?
Yeah.
Of course you do. Well, my goodness, Scraps is a boy dog, isn't he?
Yeah.
Jimmy, you like it when Scraps holds onto your leg and rubs up and down?
God, look at this place.
Jimmy, do you ever wonder why dogs sniff each other in that?
Well, Captain, is everything A-okay?
Yes, everything's fine. Right, Jimmy?
Yeah, everything's real neat up here.
There's nothing to worry about.
Could you hand me your cup, please? Thank you. Now be careful. This is very hot, okay?
Thank you. And stewardess, would you please tell my wife that these flights are completely safe? I think she'd like to hear it from you.
Oh, there's nothing to worry about.
That computer has a self-defense mechanism, Elaine. Dunn and Unger tried to disconnect it. You heard what happened to them.
I know. Sucked out. Still, it's our only chance. I think it might be safer to try it from up here.
Roger, you better get back and monitor the regulatory unit.
Listen to me. Your crew is in complete control of the situation. Trust me, there's absolutely nothing to worry about.
You were right. They're off course and heading straight for the sun. I've seen enough, Bob. Get me Steve McCroskey and fast.
Hello. Just one moment, please. It's for Mr. McCroskey.
Do you think we should bother him? He has been acting a bit odd lately.
He's fine. He just thinks he's Lloyd Bridges.
I was running out of air.
The phone's for you, Mr. McCroskey.
Huh?
Here, let me help you. I think it's the Space Center.
Space Center?
Now, let's not get too excited.
Yeah, Space Center? What? What? Here. I'll be right down. Looks like I picked the wrong time to go senile.
Come in, Mayflower. Mayflower, come in over.
What's happening?
I don't know. We can't pick them up, sir.
Let me try.
All right.
Come in, Mayflower, over. Come in, Mayflower, over. Come in, Mayflower, over. Don't read me.
We try, sir. Come in, Mayflower, over. Come in, over. Damn it.
Come in, Mayflower, over. Let me try, sir. Damn. Until we get through to them, our hands are tied. We gotta make plans.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm busy right through Friday.
Stinson.
But how about lunch Saturday?
I don't mean to sound forward. I mean, I know I don't know you. But I don't think we're gonna live through this. And I've never been with a man before. I mean, I know this isn't the right place.
Smells so bad. This cabin.
What are we gonna do, Ted?
Elaine, we're gonna have to blow the computer.
Blow rock?
That's right, Elaine.
Ted, there's no way you can do it.
What do you mean?
This country was run by vegetarian women rather than flesh-eating men. This whole space disaster would never have happened. You know, right now we're working to raise the consciousness of the vegetarian minorities with diet sensitivity training so that people will be able to deal with the foul...
Ted, it's like a furnace.
I'm afraid we're closer to the sun than I estimated.
I don't know how much longer we can take the heat. The passengers are dropping like flies.
Got 8,000 square feet and the parking is great. And a 20-year lease with option to buy.
How could you lose, Al?
It's in Montebello.
You could lose.
This shuttle blows will be the biggest story of the year.
Yeah, keep your fingers crossed.
Wait a minute, I never forget a face. Texas doctor claims sex with chicken cures baldness, right?
Amputees' limbs grow back after man finds Christ?
Long time no see. How you doing? So you're on this flight, huh?
One charge. Give it to me straight. How much damage can that bomb do? How much damage can that bomb do?
Now listen, if he blasts here in the cabin, and the fuselage doesn't give way here, and the main communication lines to the cockpit hold here, and this baby here doesn't jam up this little unit here and throw about 2 tons of steel through here like a hot knife through butter, and the upper and lower...
What's your point, Sarge?
I have no point.
You better fasten your seatbelt.
Stryker, we're running out of time. Have you got that bomb yet? Over.
I don't know. Ted, what happened?
Take this, Elaine.
What is it?
The bomb.
The bomb?
No, the bomb.
Have you got that bomb? Damn it, have you got that bomb?
Roger, Control, we've got the bomb.
He's got the bomb.
He's got the bomb.
He's got the bomb.
He's got the bomb.
Got the bomb.
Isn't it exciting? This is just like an election in Iran.
Give me the President of the United States. Tell him it's the Commissioner. I don't know how the old man's going to take this.
One for the NAACP, Mr. President. And one more. Thank you. That would be your secretary, sir.
Yes.
Houston calling Mr. President on line 4, sir.
Thank you, Penny. Frank, better go to split screen.
The truth of the matter, sir, is that I don't think that shuttle is going to make it.
Oh, damn it, mister. The dignity and integrity of the presidency depends on the success of that mission. Now, I don't want to hear from you again until that thing is safely on the moon.
Simon, wait, what are you doing?
I've lost my ship, and now I've lost you, Elaine. I'm getting off.
Simon, I didn't want it to end like this. We can be friends. We can meet for lunch or after work for a drink. I mean, I know now that Ted and I were always meant for each other, and you'll meet somebody, and then we could all double date.
Elaine, I don't think you understand.
Well, maybe doubling isn't such a good idea, but Simon, wait, but you'll die out there.
Maybe.
Well, what are you trying to say?
What I'm saying, sweetheart, is I don't think I can hack the single scene again.
Simon, no! Ted, Simon just ejected.
Sit down, Wayne. If this bomb trick works, we might just make it. Simon was a fool to eject now.
You mean?
That's right. Premature ejection.
When we're ready, we would like you to remove your eyeglasses and your shoes and place your head between the knees. Between your own knees, Father.
Elaine, you better brace yourself. This is faster than man has ever traveled before.
Oh, wow.
She's starting to shake.
She's starting to shake.
She's starting to shimmy.
She's starting to shimmy.
She's starting to...
What is she starting to do? Striker, what is she starting to do?
Shudder, Ted.
She's starting to shudder.
She's starting to shudder.
How bad is it, sir?
It's not good, but at least she's not beginning to crack up.
Hi, Pan Universe again.
That's exactly what they'll be expecting us to do.